Change your profile picture in Rocket League, Epic Games. I'm going to tell you how to change your profile picture in Rocket League if you're using the Epic Games version. And here's the catch. You can't change it natively. Epic Games doesn't currently support custom profile pictures in Rocket League like Steam does. Even if you change your avatar on Epic Games account, it won't show up in game. But there is a workaround. If you're on PC, you can install Bacchus mod and then get the RL Profile Pictures plugin. This plugin lets you upload a custom avatar that will show in Rocket League for you and others using the plugin. Just head to bacchusplugin.com, download the plugin, and follow the setup instructions inside Bacchus mod. It won't work on console, but for Epic or Steam players on PC, it's the best way to display profile pictures in matches.